So again, this place really is a good place for you to visit because aside from it's like you're brought to the Spanish era, you're also being drawn back to the culture that we have as Filipinos, yung mga larong Pinoy. Can you point at that one? O, diba? Takarang. No, the other one. Yan, Takarang. And last night, merong cultural performances. May mga folk dancers here. Folk dances na ano talaga, from Las Casas, Filipinas. And right now, we are heading on to a role play over here at the back. Manonood po tayo kung anong role play yan. If you are fond of history, you will surely love the place here. Let's watch.
Yan! Yan! Ano naman ihang ginagawa ng isang matimyas na dalaga sa bayan ng Santiago? May katamisan ng kanyang hindi. Wala iha, huwag ka mag-alala. Gusto lamang malaman ang kura na sa likod ng kagandahang yan ay tingin sana na lang. Tila hindi ka pa nakapikili sa hibla ng galit.
Hibla ng galit. Amazing. Kahit isang hibla ng galit. They're very,
Ikaw ay may nobyo pa.
very poetic.
Ay, simple.